Hello everyone, I am Alhamid and this is the ZOOMBIT tutorial series. Today we are about to learn something really awesome. We are going to make the ZOOMBIT play us some music. I'm pretty sure you will have a lot of fun in this tutorial. So come and join me with your ZOOMBIT guidebook and go to chapter 2. Here we want to hear from ZOOMBIT and let it sing us a song. So let's begin. Here we can begin by creating a new project, or we may continue to use the previous one. Click on Input category and drag this block on button A pressed. Drag it to the programming workspace and then go to the music category and move down a bit and snap this block into the on button A pressed. Now come closer and let's see all the different melodies that we have on here. Click on this one so we can see the drop list, alright, and then choose birthday melody. Now let's move to the left side to our simulator and press a button. Do you hear a familiar tone? It's a happy birthday song. You can spend more time and check all the different melodies that we have in here. Alright, so besides all these preset melodies, you can also program the ZOOMBIT to sing any song you like. However, you need to teach it note by note. Let's see how that works. Basically, we will need two blocks from the music category. Choose this one and also choose this one. Alright? So come closer and let's find out how these blocks actually work. In here, you can select which tone you want to play. Alright? And next to it, you can select for how long you want to play that tone, or in another word, the duration for that tone. In here you can pause or stop playing the music for this duration set. Very well, how about we practice that and let the ZOOMBIT play us the opening bars of the Star Wars opening theme. Who doesn't like Star Wars? Excited to do it? Let's start. So this is how the notes of the song looks like. It's really easy to play it on the ZOOMBIT. And in order to understand it better, we will play it bar by bar. Let's start with the first one. First of all, go to the Input category and drag this block. Change the A button to B button. Alright? And then go to the music category and snap this block into here. Alright, so let's play the first note we have in here. As you notice, the tone is middle D, right? So search for it and you will find it over here. Click on it. And then the beat will be 1/3. Oops, there is no 1/3, right? That shouldn't be a problem, we can make it ourselves. So click on music category and snap this block in here, alright? And then go to the math category and drag the division block. Snap it in here, take one beat over here and divide it by 3. This way we make the beat that we want, 1/3, isn't it? Great. Now, as you notice, the second tone and the third one is the same like the first one, middle D and 1/3. So, to save your time, you don't have to do all of this again. All what you have to do is come in here, right click with your mouse and click on duplicate for this whole block. then you will have it. Do it again. And this way we can play the first 3 notes we have in here. As for the second note, the tone will be middle G, right? So here it is, click on it, and the beat is 2. And after that we have the tone is high D, right? And the beat is 2 again. And this way we finish the first bar. Let's do the next one. Here you will notice the second and the third bar are just the same. So in here we will only do 1 bar and then repeat it again. Let me show you how. Click on loops category and snap this block. In here you can write any code and it will repeat it for any number of times you choose. So in our case we want to play the second bar 2 times because it's similar like the third bar, right? So change this value to 2. And now let's play the notes we have in here. So this way we have played the second bar and we repeat it 2 times because it's similar like the third one. And before we move to the last bar, it's good to know that we can search for any block that we need by typing the keywords in this search box. For example, instead of searching for this block in the toolbox, you can go to the search bar over here and type the keywords of it. Repeat, do, and you will have it over here. Alright? Okay, now we have built the second bar and we repeated that 2 times because the second bar is similar like the third one. And we make this step actually to make the code more compact. Alright, we finished 3 bars already. And now we left with the last one. Well done guys, now let's hear the song from the simulator on the left side. Press on B button. It sounds pretty good, isn't it? Now let's flash the code to ZOOMBIT so we can hear it sing it to us. Power up the ZOOMBIT from here and press B button. Your ZOOMBIT can sing and make music because Microbit V2 comes with a built-in speaker which enables it to produce sounds. If you are using a Microbit V1 on your ZOOMBIT, you can plug in a groove buzzer to port P0 and 1 to play sounds. There are more blocks in the music category. You can adjust the volume, set a tempo, and so on. Go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys for watching the video until here. I hope you had fun making the ZOOMBIT sing you a song. So before we end this tutorial, if you need any help, you can reach us on the Telegram group. We will be glad to help you there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And until we meet again in the coming tutorials, keep learning, have fun, and see you next time.